let's all wave goodbye to those beautiful people out there. Bye, beautiful. Oh, guys, come on. You have to wave goodbye to the ugly ones, too. Well, hi, everybody. Welcome aboard to the world-famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper Abby. That's actually first name Skipper, last name Abby. Guys, I'm so excited. We are going to be hanging out for the next 10 to 12 weeks. I'll be your skipper, your guide, your friend, your dance instructor, yeah. If you don't laugh at anything I say, though, I will be your swim instructor, okay? Okay, sounds good. Now, let's do a super quick boat orientation. Can everybody look up? Okay, that right there is actually what we like to call the top of the boat. Yeah. Now look down. That's the bottom of the boat. Yay, nice job. But if anything does happen and they end up switching, please, oh my goodness, swim, okay? Good luck. Now our first stop is the Amazon rainforest, and right here on the left, this is the beautiful, in it all day. Yeah, y'all don't want to hear my number 2 joke, okay? Now everybody say, ooh. Nice. Yeah, everybody say, ah. Everybody say, wow, that's so cool.
Wow, that's so cool.
No way. Y'all sound so inspired. I love it. Okay, let's take that inspiration and cruise down the Congo River and really see how far this boat can go. I know, that's the number 2 joke. It stinks. Okay, wait. Who here is it your first time on the Jungle Cruise? Raise your hand. First timers, yeah? No way. Me too. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Yeah, is it anyone's last time? Yeah, fingers crossed, honestly. Yeah, okay, this is my camp, guys. I'm so sorry. Yeah, these are my in-laws. Hi, guys, what's up? I'm playing, y'all. Come on, these are obviously outlaws. Yeah, can anyone tell the difference between in-laws and outlaws? In-laws, outlaws. I know it's pretty tough, but outlaws are actually wanted. Sorry, that one was me. We're gonna move down the Nile River now, though. This is my most favorite river, you guys genuinely love it so much. One problem, though, the Nile River is too long. I mean, seriously, guys, it goes on for Niles. Oh, and Niles. Get it? And Niles, no? Yeah, and Niles. Hey, if you don't believe me, go. You are probably in. I heard it. Nice job. Now that right there is our African bull elephant. We have another one just like it right there. Now these guys are pretty awesome, y'all. You know, they can actually run up to speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them the fastest animals in the jungle. Isn't that crazy? I know, kind of unsettling. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot all about this. This is my favorite celebrity, you guys. It's The Rock. Yeah! Oh my gosh, seriously, don't take him for granted, y'all. Honestly, seriously. Now, here we are in the African belt, where we have a wide range of animals, ranging from over here to over there. Yeah, look in the back. Y'all see those tall things? Trees. Oh, and that zebra. He's sleeping. Yeah, that's actually really cool, and that's how they sleep. We are going to let him rest. Okay. Uh-oh. Y'all see this fool over here? Okay. This is Skipper Felix. Hey, Skipper Felix. Guys, it's his first day today. I know, it doesn't look like it's going to be his last day. I certainly will not be. Alright. Wait, before we get too far, everyone say hi to my friend Ina. Hi, Ina. Hi, Ina. Oh, she's so sweet, guys. She laughs at all my jokes. Bye, Ina. I love you, girl. Alright, everybody look over here. Yeah, that's absolutely nothing. Now look over here. Oh my gosh, isn't that so cool? Guys, that's Ginger and Smiley, of course, but Ginger's on the left. Be careful, okay? She looks nice, but you know Ginger's happy. Woo, I know. She is a chocolate beautiful. So right up here at the front of the boat, this is the most beautiful thing you're going to see in the jungle. And behind me, honestly, oh, that's Schweitzer Falls, y'all. We are going to go over it later, okay? Buckle up. Feel that water, though, as we pass. So nice. I do have to warn you, there is about 80,000 different types of jungle bacteria in that water, so if at any point you start to itch or you see a rash, just let me know, okay? Cool. I know it, you're wondering it, guys. How in the world did she land this job? Well, guys, I'll be so honest with you. I don't work here. Thank goodness, right? No. This is actually just court-ordered community service. Yeah, I know. My parents are really proud. Oh, okay. Hey, guys, if you happen to have your marbles on today, please put them away now, okay? These are some hungry hippos, y'all. I did lose mine a while ago, yes. Now, fun fact about these hippos. You know, they can actually run up to speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them the fastest animals in the jungle. Isn't that crazy? I know, kind of unsettling, right? Now, some people have said to me before, they've said, Skipper Abby, your job is so easy. You know, I really feel like monkeys could do it. Number one, that's so rude, okay? And number two, all these are tricks, okay? And these tricks are so smart. See that one in the back? Yeah. Yeah, we actually went to art school together. Yeah. You can tell that he went to art school because of his paintbrush, right? Right. Yeah, and you can tell that I went to art school too because I work here. Yay! Oh my gosh, wait guys, this is my other friend from art school. This is Annette. Hi Annette. Hi. Oh my gosh, she's quite a catch in this thing. So talented too. You know, Annette can run at the speed of 33 miles per hour, making her the fastest animal in the jungle. Isn't that crazy? Guys, it's like so unsettling. Now, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. No, it's not the end of the ride. It's the end of the ride. But that, I don't wanna. O-2-H. Thank you so much for the support. I do appreciate that one. Those chemistry jokes are so out of my element. Yeah. I know, you just don't see that every day, right? Yeah, you don't, but I do. Now we're going to move down the Mekong River, and I'll be honest with you guys, that temple has Mekong me very nervous, all right? Seriously, I don't like the dark. So as we go through here, please keep your eyes open. Mine are going to be closed. Goose. Oh, I'm a liar. I'm so sorry, guys. No, okay, cool. Thanks, man. Hey, if you did happen to get wet back there, please don't worry. Your clothes are actually going to soak it up. Now, we're coming towards the end of our journey, y'all. So before you go, I am going to point out my favorite plant life to y'all. So if we look up at the top of our jungle, we have a beautiful flower right up there called the hibiscus. Yeah. And actually, right there at the bottom of our jungle, that is the lobiscus. My favorite one's in the back though. It's kind of hard to see, but it's actually none of your biscuits. Yeah, it's really beautiful this time of year. And of course, guys, we obviously have a gift shop because if you haven't noticed, this is a Disney ride. Yeah. Now, our gift shop is ran by monkeys. I know, they're pretty great. It's a little confusing, but they're ran by monkeys. Like that guy George on the camera. Ready, man? Okay. Oh, not bad. Not bad. No, there's no pictures. I'm so sorry, you guys. He's just practicing. He's just here for the exposure, okay? Now, I want to thank y'all so much for getting on my boat here today. I know you didn't really have a choice, like literally at all, because it was the boat that pulled up, but I appreciate it all the same, y'all. I really, really do. And honestly, I feel like we're a family now. I really do, guys. I mean, we had so much fun. We laughed together, right? Some of us, we cried together. Yeah, that was weird, sorry. You know, we even almost died together, too. Whoops. And honestly, guys, just like my own family, you know, when I'm with them for like 10 to 12 minutes, it's like usually more than enough. So, no, I'm kidding. That's so mean, guys. No, actually, y'all were outstanding on my boat. And that I do mean. I really, really do. And I do think it'd be pretty cool to see you out standing on the dock now. So as we do approach the dock, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And parents, keep on supervising your children, okay? If you don't, they really could end up like me. I know, telling really bad jokes on a boat, y'all. I don't think you want that. So guys, you really were a lot of fun. So if you want to come back and save me, please do. I will be around and around and around. And oh my gosh, I will just be around. Yeah. That's Skipper Abby, spelled Helpme. Okay, that's awesome, guys. Now, I have a pretty cool fact about this skip over here. Skipper Jason. Hey, man, what's up? Hey, fun fact about Skipper Jason. You know, he can run up to speeds.